Alexis.
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Greg. And this is our family channel, where we travel around North Carolina and go to places of interest alongside the road.
Let's see where we're going today.
Come along with us. Is it on?
You're here.
I don't want to look yet.
All right, you can look. How you doing? Hi. We're here to go to the little gift shop.
Okay. It's the building here to the left.
Okay.
The white building there, you can park anywhere along the side. We see the one truck there. On the other side is a green guardrail. Just follow to the building.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
Enjoy.
All right, take care.
Ready?
Yep.
Hey, do you know where we are? No. You don't know where we are yet? No, I just see a lot of Mt Olive signs.
What does that smell?
Pickles!
Guess where we are?
Mount Olive Factory?
You got
You
it.
got it!
I want to see pickles! I want to see pickles! Pickle!
Surprise!
Pickles!
All right, let's get out.
Pickle!
All right, so here we are at the corner of Cucumber and Vine, the Mt Olive Pickle Factory here in Mt Olive, North Carolina.
And
We're
it was
about
my
to-
surprise, and I'm excited.
Yeah, Mt Olive Pickles are Alexis's favorite. So we're about to go into their gift shop and see what they have inside.
Let's
Come
go.
along with us if they let us film inside.
Let's go. Can I
Go ahead.
eat a pickle?
I don't know if they have samples, hon.
Which way do we go? Now we're going.
Have you ever wondered what goes into making the perfect Mt Olive pickle?
Yeah.
Well, here at the corner of Cucumber and Vine, our recipe for success is a mixture of ingredients. Rich traditions, attention to quality, and a bit of fun.
All right, so what do you think about Mt Olive Pickles?
Really fun. I enjoy it. I love Mount Olive Pickles, first of all, because it's pickles! And because how they package them is cool. Especially with the breadsticks, is what I call them.
Yeah,
The ones that I got.
the bread and butter pickles.
No, the other ones.
Okay.
Those sandwich stuffers?
Yeah.
Yeah, sandwich stuffer pickles. I
Very
like
cool.
those.
What does it smell like here?
Pickles!
It smells like pickles. Can you believe it?
Pickles!
That's because all right over here is where the pickles are made. Right there.
Yeah, what's
Behind those buildings.
Yeah, what's...
Nice. So should people come visit the gift shop here at Mt Olive Pickles?
Yes.
Yeah? What was the best thing that you saw here?
Getting this guy. Getting the free jar of pickles.
You think they're free jar pickles?
Yeah, I like this guy.
That's cool. What's something you learned in the movie that they showed?
That they're all fresh.
Okay. What else?
They're all, like, grown by individual farmers.
It's pretty cool. Awesome. What'd you get in the folder?
I don't know. Well, first in this folder, I got a pickle folder.
Oh my goodness, what does it say on it?
That's Picklicious, Mount Olive since 1926. And then it has the Mount Olive Company history, dish, blah blah, facilities, production, research and development, employees, and community.
Cool.
All right on this sheet of paper. And then I got a bookmark,
Nice.
a pickle bookmark, and Mount Olive $1 bill.
$1 billion dillers, not negotiable.
Yeah. And I got a sticker,
Okay.
another sticker, a pencil,
Uh-huh.
sticker, yeah. Stay, pencil, pencil. Good, pencil. got a magnet.
Nice.
And I got flat. Oh, I got a coloring sheet.
Yeah.
Here. And I got another sticker. Hello, sticker. And got another sticker. Here.
Cool.
And I got a coloring sheet. But the coloring sheet was actually this.
Okay.
And then I have a switch.
My favorite.
And then I have another coloring sheet
Awesome.
of
Is that all of it?
Cucumber Vine. That's Pickleicious.
Yeah.
No. Ooh. Got another sticker.
Wow, very cool. Is that everything?
No. And I got a tattoo.
Oh, a tattoo. Very cool.
A washable tattoo.
Yeah. Neat.
Then nothing else.
That is like the coolest thing ever.
And this, oh yeah. I poked myself in the eye with the folder. I didn't say I have the folder.
So you could use that at school. Nice. And we each got a jar of pickles to take home, too.
Pickles!
Yeah. What did you get for pickles?
I got, I don't know what it's called.
You got the sandwich stackers?
Go first.
Yeah. And what did you get for pickles?
I got bread and butter.
The baby jerkins.
Yeah.
Or the sweet jerkins, I mean.
Yeah.
Not the sweet baby jerkins.
And I got the sweet relish.
Actually, I got the bread and butter sticks.
The bread and butter sticks?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, that was a fun trip down to the Mount Olive Pickle Factory where... How many cucumbers do they process every year? Do you remember how many they do?
No.
No? It's
Yeah.
What?
1,500?
No. It's way more than that. It was like 4 million pickles or something like that.
That's a bit giant.
Right, I know. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Well, it completes our trip.
This pickle folder is awesome.
I think it's
love
awesome too.
it. It's my home.
Yeah.
It's my hometown.
It's your hometown?
Right here.
Well, that completes our trip to the Mt Olive Pickle Factory in Mt Olive, North Carolina. And we're going to be on the road again for the next trip. We hope to see you, and we hope you join us. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
That's cool.
We decided to stop here at the Heritage Farms General Store along Highway 117, somewhere near Goldsboro, North Carolina. They've got all kinds of fresh pork products here, homemade ice cream, and all kinds of neat little trinkets all through the store, and t-shirts, hats, and everything you can imagine, along with plenty of traffic too. So this is just a little pit stop along the way to the next place we're going. See you soon. For the love of pork.